Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate Haupia lava cake. This recipe is special in light of Valentine's. It's not necessarily a local recipe, but it has some roots due to the Haupia filling. This is a simple recipe for any beginner baker. Cutting into that cake oozes out a sweet and delicious melted chocolate. Perfect to impress that special one. You'll need the following ingredients. Keep in mind that the Haupia filling makes more than necessary. You could cut that recipe in half if you'd like, and it will still be more than enough. First, in a large bowl, add the coconut milk, water, sugar, and cornstarch. Mix it till the cornstarch has completely dissolved. It's okay if there are still some coconut chunks floating around. They will melt when it's cooked. Add the mixture to a pot over medium heat. Stir it until it begins to thicken up. Remove from the heat and set it aside to cool down. Next is to make the cake. Melt the chocolate chips in a microwavable bowl with 1 stick of butter. Melt it in 10-second intervals. At each time, make sure to briefly stir it so it doesn't burn at the bottom. Keep nuking it until all of the chocolate has melted. Set that aside, and in a small bowl, add together 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Whisk it well. In a separate bowl, add the powdered sugar, flour, and salt. Mix it well. Now, using the bowl with the chocolate mixture, add in the eggs. Put the dry ingredients through a sieve. By doing this, it breaks the clumps in the dry ingredients. It's important to do so because the powdered sugar is usually clumped up. You'll notice that there are some clumps still left in the sieve. Simply press down to break it up to go through the mesh. Using a spatula, mix it well. Mix it until it starts to look like a thick batter. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Using a ramekin, generously grease it. I use melted butter. Then dust the insides of the ramekin with cocoa powder. Doing so will help prevent the cake from sticking. Now, put some of the Haupia into the pastry bag. About 1/4 of the bag will be more than enough. Use the extra Haupia as a side pudding if the cake is too heavy for you. Pour the chocolate batter halfway into the ramekin. Insert the tip of the pastry bag to the chocolate batter and fill in some of the Haupia. Fill it up to your preference. Then fill the rest of the ramekin with the chocolate batter, leaving at least 1 inch from the top since the cake will slightly expand. Bake it for 12 to 14 minutes. Let it cool for at least 1 minute. Then cover it with an inverted plate and turn it over. Be sure to use an oven mitt because the ramekin is still hot. The cake should easily release from the ramekin. Top it off with your favorite ice cream, fudge, or fruit. Dig into that cake and let that chocolatey lava flow from it. Eat it with your special person and enjoy this onolicious chocolate Haupia lava cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!